Welcome back to CGFamily, everyone. It's been more than 3 months since we last uploaded a video. 4, I think. And I thought before starting again, I should give you like an introduction or some information on how I see things moving forward. And the way I see is we are gonna strategize some stuff. So this video is just about the how and what you can expect from this channel. So it's pretty much the same, but we'll just focus on the beginner stuff first, then move on to some intermediate stuff, and then some project based expert level stuff. So just to give you some information, first we'll be covering Maya software, and then in it we'll be covering some basic things like time editor, atom export, and then some rendering essentials like Arnold or V-Ray. And you guys can choose which one do you use or like, and we'll try to prefer that one. And then some rarely used not plugins, like tools like scene management, reference editor, hypergraph, file path editor, namespace editor, xgen, camera sequencer, and list goes on and on and on. So basically, first we'll be covering some small stuff like the how-to videos you see on our channels, like how to unlock or unhide selected, and then we'll move on to some big stuff. And the channel is gonna move on the same pace. We'll try to upload on every Sunday, and not only this, we'll also be covering some more softwares, and we'll try to cover more grounds, like we'll also be covering Substance and I think 3ds Max, and we'll be continuing the Marvelous Designer. We'll try to introduce Daz also, and we'll also be starting some Unreal series also, and we'll try to see what fits the channel and whatever you guys respond most to. So you guys can also suggest the stuff you want to see more on the channel, so feel free to drop a comment or start a discussion, and we'll try to do that more. Do not forget to hit the like button, guys. Subscribe to our channel CGFamily and hit the bell icon so you know when our new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.